It's a speedy boat riding, speeding. I can hear gospel song from here. Hark the herald angels sing. I'm having this one and this one. Now we have arrived a temple called Arulmigu Vallimalai, just on the top of a mountain. Temple, church, temple, all mixing together here, living in harmony. It's a nice, maybe they're welcoming for a chief guest, for a religious leader. It's cool. Today we are going to have a very proper organic lunch right here in banana leaves. Ah, so good. Very good. We don't have non-veg.
Non-veg only, but
Okay.
will come.
Okay, all right, no problem. Wow, this is so colorful.
Mirchi.
Yeah, mirchi.
Mirchi.
Mirchi, right, mirchi.
Mirchi. Mirchi नहीं है.
Okay, ठीक है. I thought this is...
Machi.
Okay.
Which one that?
No, okay, rice is coming, finally. Oh. बस ठीक है. It's very big. It's very big and round. See, it's बहुत
Rice is like Kerala rice.
बहुत मोटा है, मोटी.
Mota.
Yeah, थोड़ा सा मोटा है. Okay, this is Kerala rice. Okay, it has everything. This one has coconut. This also coconut. What about this one, brother?
Pickle. This is pickle.
Okay, this also coconut.
Mm.
Wow. I'm having this one and this one. Bas ठीक है.
Take this.
I like this one. This is a fish.
Fish
Okay,
curry.
fish curry. Thank you. Wow. Nandriyaka. Thank you. Wow. I'm going to get fish right now. Right here. This is so good. It's so good. We are so lucky. We stopped at the right spot. Very good. Alright. These are so good, so delicious. And I want to focus on my eating because I am so hungry. I will stop recording right here. There is a tradition. If the food is very good and satisfying, he told me that we will fold this way.
Yeah.
So I'm folding this. This is very good. See? How good we are. We enjoying the food?
Yeah.
Very much. Very good. Shall we go now? We had a wonderful lunch here. The food was so good. Right here. Right is the street. Right here. It's known as HB Hotel Batteria. Very good. Alright. Now I will continue my trip. My trip over there. Oh my god. Everything is so lusty green. This is a paddy field. And we are going to a temple. Are we going to a temple? Yeah. Right now we are going to a temple that we found on Google Maps. And this is what we found while we were driving from the roadside. This is just so beautiful. Wow. I have no idea how beautiful this is. Now we have arrived a temple called Arulmigu Vallimalai, just on the top of a mountain. But it is not yet open. We have to wait 1 hour. So while we are waiting for the opening, we will go anywhere. It could be this way or it could be that way. We will explore this mountain.
With the scooter, we didn't realize.
Yeah.
Right from that.
Now we're thinking this way first. Yeah, it was very well constructed. I mean, we don't need to go up all the stairs because they have constructed the real bike road properly. So we just came up, drive up by the scooty. So it's very good. There's one very interesting tree Right over here. This one. There's a lot of branches. Okay. Let's wait. Let's wait here until the gate is open for the temple. And brother, from right here, our hotel is not that much far, right?
No.
Just like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
All right, that's very good. Okay, let's sit here. Oh, it's very quiet. Wow. Oh my God, this is so touchy because I can hear the bell of church, and we are waiting for the temple to get open. And somewhere, I don't know, out of the village, amidst this coconut farm house, I can hear another hymns, another religious songs. So everything is mixing up here. So this is truly the definition of unity in diversity. It's just so beautiful. Just, everything is playing. All the sound is coming from this bountiful nature. Now I can see a guha, a well, right here. Oh my God, this is so deep. See? Oh, so deep. But I can see so many leaves falling down here. Okay, this is the truss. Right here is the bucket. A beautiful, well-designed well on the top of a mountain. Oh wow, this one is very beautiful. Right here, I can see so many coconut trees here again from the top point view. I can hear gospel song from here. Hark the herald angels sing, glorious to thee. That song I can hear from this mountain. Wow, see? All coconut tree. Right here, can you see that? That is a temple. Church, temple, church, temple. All mixing together here. Living in harmony. No balance here. This is the Arulmigu Temple. And so, this is not opening timing. They told me that they will open at 5:30 p.m. So we cannot wait for that long. So we just came here to see what the temple looks like. So it is done here. Now we are going back to our hotel or anywhere. See, brothers, also, yeah. You have arrived here. This is the proof
Yeah.
that you have arrived too.
Picture.
Arulmigu. Yeah.
Arulmigu Vallimalai.
Vallimalai. Yeah. Okay. You say it. When you say it, it's a local. Tell it. I have arrived. Arulmigu
Arulmigu. It's
Vallimalai.
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 Arulmigu Vallimalai.
Yeah, that's right.
Vallimalai.
Alright.
It's
Wonderful.
Vallimalai. Yep.
Now we are coming back. It's going to take only 14 minutes, 7.8 kilometer, and this bridge is very beautiful right here. And I can see there is one bridge, but it's already broken down. Can you see it, brother? It's already broken down. And right here, there is one very beautiful bridge. Let's stop. Okay. Right there. Can you see that broken bridge? It's already collapsed already. the right side. There's a pit stop here. Can you see that? Can you see that?
Yeah,
One of the bridge. Right there, this one. I'll show you. That one, right there. That one, it's already collapsed. Wow, this is a highway and a very beautiful bridge right over here. I don't know where am I, but this is like only 14 minutes to reach my hotel. It's a speedy boat speeding. Alright, they are taking a U-turn. They're carrying tourists. And can you see that mountain? How beautiful is this? It is like a... Did he say blogger? Alright, I did not hear that because I was too focused on this mountain. That looks like a Far Cry game. When I was in college, I used to play that game, Far Cry. The landmark right over there, that mountain, that looks like so much like a Far Cry game. And right now, can you see that? Right here, oh my god, how beautiful is this? I'm standing right here on the Kanyakumari Beach, and I'm going to see one of the most beautiful sunset I have ever seen in my life. Wow, what a beautiful sunset. Just make sure, brother, I'm standing right here, and you know I'm wearing red shirt, and please,
Yeah.
you know, make the frame very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice frame now.
So could you please move a little bit so that you know the sun is just above on my hand?
Yeah, but
Can you do that?
camera automatically is not taking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you can click here to reset the position right here. Tap. Okay, now it's reset the position.
Yeah.
So, can you do that?
Yeah, cool.
Okay, wonderful. Wow. This is the best sunset I have ever seen in my life. See how beautiful. You can zoom like this. Okay, it's already zoom. This is how we zoom out. Wow, how beautiful is it? What a beautiful world we live in. I wish I had a childhood memory like this with my father. It's so beautiful. This is one of the best moments I have ever seen in my life. The father and son duo.